Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share with you the best homemade face mask for acne. It is made up of two very powerful ingredients that when used alone can be very effective. But when combined, they make an unbeatable duo against pimples and acne. These ingredients are available in most of the kitchens all around the world, and you will love this face mask because it is not only super easy to make, but also gives you great results within just few minutes of application. So without any further ado, let's get started. This super effective face mask is made up of cinnamon and honey. Cinnamon and honey. Yes, you heard it right. Two ingredients that can make your skin healthier and free from acne. We will tell you how to make this face mask and how to use it to get maximum benefits. Honey has been used since ages for its medicinal purposes. This sticky liquid is full of antioxidants and nutrients. That makes it an ideal ingredient for skincare. Honey has antibacterial properties which help fight off acne breakouts. This is because honey contains high levels of hydrogen peroxide that kills bacteria. The Food and Drug Administration also agrees to this, as it has been reported by them that honey has the capacity to kill certain bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and Streptococcus species. These bacteria are often found on the skin and, when present in large numbers, can cause acne breakouts. Apart from killing the bacteria, honey also prevents the formation of scar tissues due to acne. Another thing that honey does is that it reduces inflammation caused due to acne. It is a well-known fact that acne can lead to redness and swelling of the skin. But honey, with its anti-inflammatory properties, calms down the redness and irritation caused by acne. This soothing effect of honey on acne and pimples is because of the presence of antioxidants and nutrients in it. And finally, the most important benefit of honey on acne is its ability to hydrate the skin. The reason why acne occurs is because of over-drying of the skin, due to which the skin becomes more reactive and more prone to getting acne. Honey, with its hydrating properties, deeply nourishes the skin and keeps it hydrated for a long period of time, and hence reducing the chances of getting acne. The second ingredient of our face mask is cinnamon. Cinnamon is an amazing spice that has lots of health benefits. Cinnamon contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds which are responsible for fighting acne. These compounds help in killing the bacteria that gets trapped inside your pores, leading to the formation of pimples and acne. Moreover, cinnamon also helps in reducing the redness and puffiness caused due to acne. It is also helpful in getting rid of acne scars. Due to its antifungal properties, cinnamon fights off the fungus Malassezia furfur. This fungus is often the main cause of acne. A study was conducted where it was found that when applying 5% of cinnamon oil on the affected area for 2 weeks showed a significant improvement in acne. So these were the benefits of honey and cinnamon when used individually. So now let's see how these two ingredients work together and help to get rid of acne. When applied on the skin, cinnamon releases its active ingredients which helps in fighting bacteria and getting rid of acne. But the problem is that cinnamon powder is too harsh for the skin, and so it should not be applied directly on the skin. If you want to apply cinnamon powder directly, then you have to mix it with some other ingredient that can reduce its harshness. Otherwise, it is always better to use cinnamon oil for direct application. Now, when honey is mixed with cinnamon, the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of both these ingredients get multiplied, and hence their effect on acne increases. So when you apply honey and cinnamon face mask on your skin, the antimicrobial properties of honey and cinnamon work together to kill the bacteria that causes acne. At the same time, the anti-inflammatory compounds of both these ingredients calm down the redness and swelling caused due to acne. Honey also hydrates the skin, making it less reactive and less prone to acne. Now let's see how you can make this face mask at home. You will require 1 tablespoon of raw honey and ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Make sure that the honey that you are using is raw and unfiltered, as these types of honey have higher amounts of nutrients and hence are more beneficial than the processed honey. Take a clean bowl and add 1 tablespoon of raw honey into it. Add ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder into it. Use a spatula and mix both these ingredients properly. Your face mask is ready. Now let's see how you can apply this face mask. First of all, cleanse your face properly with a gentle cleanser. This will remove any makeup or dirt from your face and will help the face mask to work better. After cleansing your face, pat it gently with a clean towel and then apply the face mask. Apply the face mask evenly on your face, avoiding the eye and mouth area. Leave the face mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. You can wash it off after 15 minutes, but if you want, you can leave it for longer, even up to 30 minutes. But don't leave it overnight. Wash it off with lukewarm water. It is very important to wash it off with lukewarm water and not with the hot water, as hot water can make your skin more dry and can lead to more acne. After washing it off, pat your face gently with a clean towel. You can also apply a moisturizer if you feel that your skin is too dry. How often should you apply this face mask? To get the best results, it is recommended to apply this face mask twice a week. You can apply this face mask once in the morning and once in the evening. Just follow all the steps that we have told you and you will see amazing results within few days. Apart from applying this face mask, there are some other things that you need to keep in mind. Always make sure that you use clean hands while applying this face mask and also use clean utensils. While making this face mask, don't use any ingredient that is expired or not good. Always test any new ingredient on your hand before applying it on your face, as you might be allergic to it. If you notice any kind of redness or irritation on your skin, then immediately wash it off with cold water and apply a moisturizer. Apart from this face mask, you should also take care of your overall health to get rid of acne. Have a balanced diet and include foods that are rich in vitamin C, zinc, and selenium. Vitamin C helps in fighting free radicals and reduces inflammation. Hence, it is very helpful in getting rid of acne. Zinc helps in reducing sebum production and hence controls acne. Selenium has antioxidant properties and reduces the activity of androgen hormones that can lead to acne. So include foods that are rich in these nutrients. Some of the examples are fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, etc. Stay hydrated and drink lots of water during the day. Water helps in flushing out toxins from your body and hence indirectly helps in fighting acne. Get enough sleep, as a lack of sleep can increase the stress hormone cortisol. This hormone can stimulate more sebum production and hence can cause acne. Manage your stress levels, as stress can trigger the overproduction of sebum that leads to acne. Do yoga and meditation to calm your mind and to relax yourself. Exercise regularly, as exercise releases endorphins that help in improving your mood and reducing stress. So these were the tips on how to use cinnamon and honey face mask for getting rid of acne. We hope that this video was helpful and informative for you. If you want us to make more videos on cinnamon and honey, then do let us know in the comment section below. We will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye bye and take care.